Hi everyone, so today we're going to make another recipe and now we're going to do a pudding. It's basically a FROYO, frozen yogurt, and it's mango frozen yogurt, and it's sort of vegan, you can say. You can make it vegan, definitely. And it takes basically seconds to make it. It's so yummy and yeah, we quite like it. It's healthy as well, so we quite like it.
All you need is frozen mango, coconut yogurt and honey.
That's it. It is so easy, and a high speed blender as well. Put it all in, bish bash bosh, done. So we got the frozen mango. It's about, I would say, 250 grams. Here's the coconut yogurt I like. It's not too thick, and I quite like this. A bit runny, and I'm going to use ordinary honey, about a tablespoon. You can use up to 2 tablespoons, but I'm going to start with 1 and see how it goes. And if you wanted to make it completely vegan, you can now get vegan honey. It's basically sugar. But if you're really keen on not eating anything from an animal, then you can see that maybe here, but it's quite thick, so it sort of behaves and looks like a honey. It doesn't completely taste like it, maybe a little bit. So basically you just put everything in the blender, in the high-speed blender. So a cup of coconut yogurt. It's good that you measure up. Do you know how much that is?
Nope.
That's half a cup. Great, so you're measuring up a cup. Everything goes in. Great. And then also the honey. Yay. Okay, it's all in, and we're just going to blend this. And it's done. That's how quick it goes. Now we're just going to serve. Great. So if you want to do it for more people, just double the recipe, and then just a tiny bit of mint just to on top, just as decoration. Great, fabulous. Wasn't that super easy, right? You could do that by yourself, couldn't you? And so yummy. Let's try. Have you got a spoon there? Oh, I love this. This is so refreshing. Especially now when it's so hot outside, it's great. Yeah. Do you love it, kid?
Yeah.
So yummy. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe if you did, and come back for another one next time. Take care, have a fabulous week. Bye.